9696.
They don't know if somebody was moving out, moving in, or if somebody was
committing a moving out. There's no burglary.
Okay.
Moving out.
Do
That's what I told
we
you.
know that? So that's what I'm trying to
call the
verify.
landlord or something.
Who I'm talking to, that way,
I don't live here.
55-year-old swing out of
but you're
Cleveland.
moving everything out.
I'm her friend. I don't
Okay.
have, you don't need.
If she's not here,
Copy.
so how can I verify?
All right.
Who do you have locally for this address, 2801?
Amy Evans.
Okay, that means nothing to me.
What's so
I got the
big
key
about,
to the house. How about that?
Okay.
Does that make it a burglary?
No.
That doesn't clear your suspicion of a burglary. You're suspicious right now?
No.
Are you suspicious right now?
Are you suspicious?
I'm asking you.
Your behavior is making it suspicious.
These days, staying informed seems like an uphill battle. With so much information out there and biases creeping into every source, how do you know which source is the best source to use? That's why I've started using Straight Arrow News. Straight Arrow News is a website and app that delivers balanced, unbiased news you can rely on. No spin, no agendas, just the facts, presented clearly and fairly. I love how Straight Arrow News makes it easy to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Their app and their website allow me to catch up on stories that matter without wasting time sorting through misinformation. If you're like me and want reliable news you can trust, Straight Arrow News is a game changer. Go to san.com/WeThePeopleU to check it out or download their app. You can also visit through the link in my description. When you support Straight Arrow News, you're not only supporting me, you're also supporting journalists who are raising the bar on news, focusing on serving you truth. Thanks again to Straight Arrow News for sponsoring this video. Welcome back to We the People University. My name is Abaya Israel, former police officer and former sheriff's deputy. All right, really quick, guys, before we get started with this video, for those of you who keep emailing stating that you're not seeing my videos anymore, you may just have to unsubscribe and resubscribe to the channel. And for those of you who are saying welcome back, I never left. I release videos all the time. YouTube has just decided to stop sharing them. So, but anyway, that's what you may have to do. Unsubscribe, resubscribe, maybe that helps. But let's talk about this video. The Lorain Police Department, located in the state of Ohio, shows up to a home of a woman who requested for her friend to come over and help her move her belongings out of the house because she was being evicted. The friend arrives, he does her this favor, and the police arrest him because they stated that he was a possible burglar. Even though he shows the cops the keys and he's legally able to be there, you're going to hear in the video, the woman even calls the dispatch, give all the information, and it states that he is helping me. He is moving the belongings out for me. We're moving out. He is not burglarizing the place. But let's see what happens. Let's check this out.
How would we know that?
Amy?
123.
I didn't break no law. I'm not saying that you did. So you're not going to tell me that. You're not going to tell me that my name and address.
I didn't say anything about address. I said
Here, can you talk to her, please?
123.
So don't go anywhere, right?
I'm not going nowhere.
1028 King Frank Adam 9696.
What did she say?
They don't know if somebody was moving out, moving in, or if somebody was committing a
she's moving
burglary.
out. There's no burglary. She's
Okay.
moving out.
Do
That's what I told
we
you.
know that? So that's what I'm trying to
call the
verify.
landlord or something.
Who I'm talking to, that way,
I don't live here.
55-year-old swing out of
but you're
Cleveland.
moving everything out.
I'm her friend. I don't
Okay.
have, you don't need.
If she's not here,
Copy.
so how can I verify?
All right.
Who do you have locally for this address, 2801?
Amy Evans.
Okay, that means nothing to me.
What's so
I got the
big
key
about,
to the house. How about that?
Okay.
Does that make it a burglary?
No.
That doesn't clear your suspicion of a burglary. You're
Absolutely
suspicious
not.
right now?
No.
Are you suspicious right now?
Are you suspicious?
I'm asking you.
Your behavior is making it suspicious. That's
no,
weird.
I want you guys to go. You're asking me for my name, and I'm telling you I don't need to give you my name. I know my rights. I know my rights. I didn't break no law, so I don't have to give you my name.
I don't know if you've broken the law because I don't have the homeowner here. So
Copy.
how hard? Why is it so difficult to give me your name? That
I don't
way we
have to
can
give
put
you
it
my
on
name.
the
I know my
narrative
rights. I didn't
that
break
we
no
spoke
law.
with this
I am
person.
allowed to be here. If Amy was here, then what?
Where's
You'd still
Amy
be-
at?
I'm on the phone.
Okay, I don't know who you are.
I can identify myself too.
You can't, not through a
can't.
phone.
Not through a phone. Are you close by here?
She don't.
He's helping me move right now.
Okay,
I
so
have to work in the morning, so he's finishing up.
okay, but where are you at?
I'm at my friend Nicole's house,
Which is where?
which is in Wellington.
Okay, so how can I verify that's who you are, or how can I verify?
What do you need? What do you need?
I need your ID.
I'm not giving you my ID. I didn't break no law. I know.
Technically,
my
by
rights.
refusing to identify
I
yourself,
know
you
my
are
rights. I
breaking
didn't
the
break
law.
No law. You're bullshitting.
No,
I'm
I'm not.
refusing because I didn't break no law. You didn't accuse me of breaking the law. So get the fuck out of here with that, please. With all due respect, I appreciate what you do, but I'm here. Look at this place. It's fucking empty. Can you smell it? Do you smell it?
I haven't been inside.
Can I show you a little bit?
No,
Why?
because
I have a
don't-
key to the house,
I
bro.
don't need to go in.
Then leave
You
me
told me
alone.
what you're doing.
Leave me alone, please.
Okay,
Can you
no,
call?
that's
Where's your
not-
supervisor
it's not
at?
happening.
Please.
I don't need to call a supervisor.
Not happening. Can you? How about you talk to the neighbor? Because she saw me here earlier, man.
Okay.
Look, man, you're giving me a hard time. I'm just trying to go.
You're
You
giving
take
us
care-
a hard time.
No,
we
I'm
would have
not.
been out of here 5 minutes ago if you just identified yourself.
That's not how it works, bro. I don't have to tell you anything. I told you what. I have the key to the house and I'm working. Look, there's nothing in there to burglarize. And you told me
Well,
that.
because it's all in your truck.
You told me that the neighbor called because she doesn't know, and I'm telling you what it is. And the lady that lives here, she's getting evicted tomorrow. Like
Who's the lady that lives here?
Amy Evans. Can you ask the neighbor? I know them. I know everybody. Can I?
123 last
So what are we
time
gonna do?
went out
You're-
there, which would be
I'm not
last
telling you
year.
my name, bro, because I know my rights. I don't have to give you my whole name for nothing.
And a Joseph
You do.
Barber.
No, I don't. All right then. What are
Okay.
you gonna do if I don't?
You know what? Turn around. Put your hands up.
Amy, I guess I'm going to jail. Call your supervisor, bro. Can you do that?
Nope.
You got your body cams on?
Yep.
I can't tell if yours is on, sir. Can you please not do what you're doing? Where's your supervisor, man?
You got a problem with how we handling stuff?
Yeah,
When you get out of
because-
jail, you can
No,
contact
bro.
the supervisor.
Call your supervisor.
No.
No.
This doesn't need a supervisor.
Help! Help! This does need a supervisor, bro.
No.
I didn't break no law.
It's called obstructing official
I didn't
business.
obstruct anything.
Yes, you are.
This is bullshit, man. What is today? Sunday? Or today Sunday?
Technically, it's Monday.
Come on, man. Give me a break. Look at all this work I gotta do, bro.
All you had to do was identify yourself.
That's not how it works.
It is how it
That's
works.
not how it
Okay.
works.
Well, you can take that up with an attorney at the courts.
Come on, man. Oh my God, my daughter, man. Let me make a phone call. My daughter,
Nope. You can do that from the county jail.
bro. No.
All you had
my
to do was
God,
work
You guys
with
are
us.
violating my rights. That's not working with you. That's giving up my rights.
I can
Could you
transport Brent.
please call your supervisor? Please call your supervisor.
Nope.
My dog is here.
No.
Help! Please call your supervisor.
Nope.
Can you please call your supervisor?
Nope.
Of course it is. Man, I didn't break no law.
Have a seat.
Man.
Have a seat.
Man.
118.
Fuck! Why did you guys do this to me, bro? What's your name, sir?
What we have on a
Reese.
Reese.
Mauricio. M-A-U-R-I-C-I-O.
I can't believe this, man. Where's your supervisor, please?
Nope.
Damn, man. This is crazy.
He didn't have an ID.
I know, that's the only thing he had was just a debit card.
These are those keys.
118.
Good.
James Mauricio, showing 36-year-old, our city. He has suspended valid ID card. Noted offender for drug. He is shown at 29 out of our apartment. Propelling to appear traffic. Break.
What do you know?
Evans has just called in, stated that that's who that is, that he is allowed to be there.
Okay. What happened, man? Reed? Excuse me. Reed?
What?
What happened?
We mean what happened?
What happened?
I don't understand what you're asking.
What happened over the radio?
We mean what happened over the radio?
He called in my name and...
Who
I heard
called in your
somebody
name?
say something. Huh?
Who?
So as you guys can see, if it's not one crazy thing, it's another. The last video we published on this channel was a guy whose vehicle was not reported stolen, but he was detained for stealing his own vehicle. As ridiculous as that sounds, just go back and watch the video and you'll see what I'm talking about. So in this case, it's another ridiculous stop or detainment by police officers. A guy is just trying to help out a friend. He has the keys to the house. He's not burglarizing the house. He's arrested for failure to identify when no crime was committed. And yes, we all know the way it's supposed to be, but that's not what actually happened. In this situation, the guy does take this to court, goes to trial. He actually lost. This guy was convicted of obstruction of official business. Even though, again, no crimes were committed, he's in possession of the key to the home. The person that was living in the home, calling dispatch, letting them know that, hey, he has the right to be there, gave them his name, gave dispatch all of the guy's information, proving that he had the right to be there. They still arrest the guy, and he's still dealing with this case even today. This is policing in America. I sound like a broken record saying this over and over and over again. We have to do something, but what we can't afford to do is sit back and do nothing. We the People University, signing off. Visit wethepeopleuniversity.com where you can find our latest YouTube videos, more about myself, why I left the police department, merch, and more. If you have a police encounter that you would like highlighted, visit our website and click the Submit Videos tab. Fill out the video form submission so that we can hold these tyrants accountable. And if you guys still haven't purchased my book, Living in the World of Tyranny, you can do so at wethepeopleuniversity.com by clicking digital copy to read it right on your phone, or you can buy the hard copy or the paperback directly from Amazon. Also, be sure to pick up your free ebook to give you tips and tricks on how to deal with cops when you encounter them. And for those of you who are still trying to learn your basic rights, register for our course to learn how to deal with police so that your rights are not violated when you encounter cops. All this and more at wethepeopleuniversity.com.